1. 1989 Ford F250, Klamath Falls, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F250 is a 2BBD diesel pickup featuring a 7.3-liter engine equipped with an ATS turbo. While the odometer has rolled over, the truck boasts sound engine and transmission performance. It has 123,000 miles and includes new batteries and a set of rims with brand new tires, making it a promising project for enthusiasts. However, it requires paintwork, seat repairs, and new glass to restore its potential. 2. 1969 Dodge D200 patina truck, $5,500, Warner Springs, California. A well-preserved 1969 Dodge D200 featuring an authentic patina finish. This with-quarter-ton truck has a powerful 383 big block engine with dual exhaust headers and an Edelbrock carburetor. Key updates include a new fuel tank, aluminum radiator, starter, and wheels with tires. The floor has been repaired, and the truck starts, runs, and drives well. It comes with a clean title and is registered under non-operational status, making it ideal for restoration or classic truck lovers. 3. 1977 Ford F250 Camper Special, $6,000, Redmond, Washington. This 1977 Ford F250 Camper Special has undergone a complete engine rebuild by S&J Engines, with only 400 miles on it since installation. The automatic transmission pairs with a new in-box fuel injection system for future upgrades. With its classic brown paint and overall good condition, this truck offers excellent mechanical value, although some cosmetic and performance tweaks might be needed to reach its full potential. 4. 1970 Chevrolet C20 long bed, $7,800, Tumalo, Oregon. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 is an excellent project vehicle for classic Chevy fans. It features a GM Target Master engine with headers and dual exhaust. Recent updates include new brakes, a fuel tank, and steering components. Although it has rust spots and requires bodywork, it comes with additional parts such as door seals and interior knobs. The truck is nearly ready for the road, making it a rewarding investment for a restoration enthusiast. 5. 1974 Ford F250 Highboy, $8,500, Bennett, Colorado. This 1974 Ford F250 Highboy is a remarkable survivor in its original condition. It features a rebuilt 360 FE V8 engine paired with a refreshed C6 automatic transmission. With power brakes and steering, the truck runs excellently but would benefit from new tires to make it a reliable daily driver. It includes original keys, radio, and paperwork, making it a rare and highly collectible find. 5. 6. 1985 Toyota SR5 pickup 2.65 $6,500, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1985 Toyota SR5 pickup offers plenty of new components, though details are sparse. With Toyota's reputation for reliability and its classic design, this truck holds excellent potential as a durable project or light-duty workhorse. Number 7. The 1965 Chevrolet C20 Custom Cab, $8,500, Granite Bay, California. A true project truck, this 1965 Chevrolet C20 features a 402 big block engine and a 3-speed column shift transmission. Though it starts and runs, issues such as leaking freeze plugs and worn-out belts require attention before it can become roadworthy. Its original documents, including a 1965 pink slip, add to its value as a historical piece. Eight. 1945 Dodge half-ton truck, $3,600, Cambria, California. This 1945 Dodge half-ton truck is a wartime relic with original engine, transmission, and rear end. While it runs and drives, the brakes are non-functional. It has significant rust but features front disc brakes and comes as is without a title. With its unique vintage appeal, it's a fascinating restoration opportunity for collectors. Nine. 1979 K20, Tucson, Arizona. This 1979 Chevrolet K20 is a four-wheel drive project truck powered by a small block 350 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent upgrades include a new wiring harness, tires, and locks. Although it needs further work, it presents a solid foundation for those seeking a rugged classic truck. Nice 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, $4,500, Jacksonville, Oregon. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino is a unique classic, complete with an additional rebuilt 350 engine. With a rebuilt title and good overall condition, it's an appealing option for enthusiasts of vintage utility vehicles. 11. 1958 Short Bed, $8,999, Placer County, California. This 1958 Chevrolet short bed pickup retains its original 235 inline-six engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission featuring a Hurst shifter. The truck starts reliably and has had recent brake work and a tune-up. With minimal rust and a mostly original build, it's a rare find for collectors. 12. 1976 Ford F250, 1500 Rancho Bernardo, California. An affordable classic, this 1976 Ford F250 is a manual transmission truck that starts and drives. Though it's offered at a low price, its condition suggests that further inspection and repairs may be necessary. (13) 1978 GMC Sierra Grande, $8,000, Elk Grove, California. This 1978 GMC Sierra Grande is a pristine example of a classic diesel pickup. Equipped with a 5.7-liter Oldsmobile diesel engine and TH400 transmission, it features numerous updates, including brake components, radiator, and glow plugs. With no rust and all original parts included, this truck is a standout for diesel enthusiasts and collectors alike.